There are various marvels created by God and man. These natural and man-made edifices are truly an example of beauty and archaeological excellence. A lot of research work, study, and analysis are done before announcing these structures as 7 wonders of the world, and truly requires a lot of effort that goes into it. The list of new 7 wonders of the world was released on July 7th of 2007 in Lisbon, Portugal. New and old entries were contending for the title of 7 wonders of the world. Well, the selection was a difficult task indeed. The public from all over the world voted for their favorites. Out of a list of 25 finalist monuments, only 7 of them were chosen as the wonders of the world. The 7 wonders of the world are: Chichén Itzá, Mexico, is the most famous Mayan temple city and was once the political and economic center of the Mayan civilization. Christ the Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This is a 38 meters tall statue standing on the Corcovado mountain overlooking Rio de Janeiro. The Great Wall of China is the largest man-made monument on this earth that was built to attack and send the Mongol tribes out of China. Machu Picchu, Peru, a city built in the clouds on the mountain known as Machu Picchu. It was abandoned by the Incas. Petra, Jordan, a theater found in the edge of the Arabian desert and was once the capital of the Nabatean Empire of King Aret's IV.
Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And
the Roman Colosseum, Italy. It was the sports stadium for the Roman Empire where cruel fights and games were being played. Oh, the Taj Mahal, India. It is a fully white marbled palace which was built in the memory of Nur Jahan, the loving late wife of Shah Jahan, who was the 5th Muslim Mughal emperor of India. These wonders of the world are becoming a hub of tourism and attract people from all around the world with their beauty and glory.